Firstly, the production line begins with the raw material pre-processing unit, which includes cleaning and crushing equipment. These machines prepare the raw materials by removing impurities and breaking them down into smaller, manageable pieces, enhancing the efficiency of subsequent processes. Following this stage is the extraction unit. Next, the refining section plays a vital role in purifying the extracted oil. It comprises deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization units. Each of these processes removes undesirable elements like gums, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorless compounds, resulting in a clear, odorless. Additionally, the production line includes a packaging unit, which features filling machines and sealing devices. These tools are responsible for accurately measuring and packaging the refined oil into various containers. Finally, the entire production line is supported by auxiliary systems such as heating, cooling, and waste management units. These systems ensure energy efficiency and environmental sustainability by recycling waste heat and treating byproducts responsibly. Overall,